So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert an advanced symbol or different advanced symbols here inside of Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Microsoft Word document. Once that is done, go to the top left and press on Insert. Then on the very far right here at the top, there's an option that says Advanced Symbols right here. Press on that. Now what this actually does by pressing on it, it'll take a couple seconds here just to bring it up. You actually are now brought to another keyboard where you can do the advanced symbols. So you can go ahead here and just select whatever one you want. So if you wanted to maybe do, I don't know, maybe, a bunch of different cards or whatever, you can add the spades right here, press on insert, and a couple seconds here. It's going to take a couple seconds to insert this. And once that is done, which hopefully is fairly soon, it's actually going to be adding this special character or adding this advanced symbol, I should probably say, into your document right here. So I'm going to go ahead here, press on insert just like that. I'll add this one as well. I'll add the diamond. So once that is done, I'll go ahead and press on close. And there you go. I've now added a whole bunch of different stuff right here. If I were to go to the home page here, I can make it a little bit larger in size. And there you go. Right in front of you guys, as you can tell, are a whole bunch of different card symbols. But pretty much that is how to insert some advanced symbols inside of your document here on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.